So guys, this tutorial will apply for both PC and for the phone. So for the first step, you want to go to any web browser and then just type in Google account and then click on enter. And now you want to click on account. Now once you're on this, you want to select go to Google account. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to select data and privacy. And now we're going to scroll down until we find delete your Google account. You want to click on this, and now this will come up. You can download your data before you delete your account. It's up to you. Now we're going to scroll down. It's going to give you some warnings and it's going to tell you what's going to be deleted. If you want to continue, we're going to scroll down. You want to tick both these boxes if you agree with what it says right here, and then click on delete account. It will then delete your Google account. You will have some time to reverse this before it becomes permanently deleted. So if you select delete account, it will remove your account. However, you have around 21 days to recover your account again, just by signing back in and then following through the steps. It might not be 21 days though, so you need to make sure on that. However, in my case, when I did this one time, it was about 21 days. So yeah, just click on delete account, which will then delete/deactivate your account. If you sign back in before 21 days time, you should be able to recover your account again. That's how you do it.